Okay guys, today I'm going to make another painting. I just finished one, and now I'm gonna make another one. Just really nice puddle with lacing on the sides. Really simple, quick, because I don't have a whole lot of time. Gotta go pick up the kids from the camp. So I'm gonna do very little, very quick, and I'm gonna do a puddle. I don't want the puddle to be too wide. So I'm gonna put this here like this. Like a galaxy type of pour. The colors will not mix too much. This time I'm gonna put a little bit gold, but I want to put gold with a color that will not jeopardize it. I mean, alright, I think I can put a little bit gold all over. And because I want this beautiful color to be on top, I can just add a little bit. Now, let's go ahead and spread this around. I kind of move it with our knife, our palette knife, so it will move everything overboard. Hopefully this is not gonna take too long. This one, to take effect, you have to kind of tilt everything. Don't be afraid to tilt. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Share with your friends and family. And God bless. Bye.